Good afternoon, children. Now today we are going to continue our topic of migration. Now we are discuss about the consequences of migration. So children, you know that we had discussed about the consequences in our previous lecture starting points. That means we can divide my consequences in four areas: economic, demographic, social and environmental consequences. So let's start with the economical consequences. You know that the meaning of consequences are the result or the what happened after this migration. So in economical consequences, first most important part, that major source of income has been increased. That means those who migrated from another countries to our countries, definitely they have the major source of income for the place of origin. So children, it is a source of foreign exchange. Definitely it is used for used for the food, repayment of debt, marriages, health, education, etc. So though internal remittance are less compared to the international, but they play a crucial role in the local economical growth. People who migrated from another areas, they have a good source of income for us. So and it will help to the development of the other people. This is the lifeline for the poor villages also. You know that the people who migrated from Bihar, Uttar Pradesh to the metropolitan cities for getting job, so it will help them to come out from these kind of situations. And what is the negative impact of this migration? Definitely it will be a big problem for overcrowding, because in developing countries the people are migrated from other normal areas, and it will how they can survive over there. So development of slums of the industries are developed in these states, especially the industrial developing states. जो industrial states हैं, उन states में overcrowding बढ़ जाता है. So economical consequences bring sometime it will be helpful for the development of the poor people or the states, but the negative impact, overcrowding of population has been increased in that. Second is demographic consequences. So you know that children, in our demographic consequences, your demographic word having the calculation or the census of any population, any migration population of an area. So if the people are migrated, what demographic effect will come? It leads to the redistribution of population. Okay. Secondly, create imbalance in age and sex. Children, those who are young, they can easily migrated from an area, but they left some people of their family to the stay they are living or their original areas. So what happened with them? They are the population, that means young people, definitely they can easily move from their rural areas to urban areas, and these migration from rural to urban have adverse effect on the rural demographic structure. That means the people easily migrated from their areas to the for getting a proper job to the populated area, to the developing areas. But what exactly happened after that? It will create a big problem. It has to be create a big problem in the urban areas. But what happened with the rural areas पे भी क्या effect पड़ेगा? उनके demographic structure पूरा imbalanced हो जाएगा. So children, that is the big problem for the demographic migration that lead to a serious imbalance in age and sex, partially in area of high out migrants, like you can take example of Rajasthan or Uttarakhand or Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, that young people easily migrated from village to the cities for jobs. But what about the rest of the family member? They stay back in the rural homes without any kind of work or job. So this is the basic problem. It will create a problem for the rural demographic structure. Next one is social consequence. Social consequences matlab definitely the people are migrated from one area to another area. Development of new ideas will definitely exchange with each other, or this kind of exchange will be a very beneficial for any area. Means open the area, social exchange of ideas, thought, knowledge. People can exchange family planning, education. So awareness is generated from the urban area to the rural area. People, those who get proper knowledge, they will definitely hand it over this knowledge to the rural areas. Secondly is positive impact on different culture. Definitely cultures, intermixing of the culture has been developed. It opens up new areas, new vistas of the society. But one on the country, if the social awareness will develop, social consequences में एक impact और पड़ेगा, that is known as the negative impact of the social issues. Anti-social activities will develop, criminal activities develop. It leads to a social vacuum and sense of the dejection among individuals. sometime leading of the, you can say, social unnecessarily activities or social anti-social activities, drug abusing. So definitely it will be create, or it will put a very important कहते हैं ना aspect of an area. So this is the big result after the migration of the people from one place to another, you can say from rural to the urban area. So now next one is environmental problem. Environmental consequences क्या होंगे? Definitely the population is migrated from one place to another. The pressure on the natural resources will definitely increase, and the people exploited their things. That means if we are not having enough resource, so what will happen? Definitely we exploit the resources. And second impact is pressure on the land and resources, which we have discussed. Definitely it will be a pressure on the land, how they can live in that area. People कैसे रहेंगे? Definitely the pressure on the land will increase and slum areas will develop. Pollution in any form, air, water, or other pollutions has been increased. Management of social waste. How can you manage the social waste will dispose? How can this? It will be a big problem for any area. Ki how can they be increase? How can they adjust the things? And it leads to a big problem for them. Acute big problem: depletion of groundwater, air pollution, disposal of sea waste, management of social waste. How can they use this? That means environmental problems, environmental results जो होंगे, जो consequences होंगे, वो maximum negative होंगे और minimum positive होंगे. So children, these are the consequences rural to urban migration. Extra pressure on existing social and physical infrastructure of an area. Natural resources पर exploitation होगा. प्रेशर ऑन द लैंड बढ़ेगा, पॉल्यूशंस भी इंक्रीज होंगे, सोशल मैनेजमेंट, सोशल वेस्ट का मैनेजमेंट करना मुश्किल होगा. सो दीज आर द रिजल्ट और कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ऑफ द एनवायरमेंटल, you can say them environmental consequences after the migration. So children, I hope I am very much clear all 4 points to you, and you can add some other points in which you can add male selective out migration, leaving their wives behind, puts extra physical and mental pressure on the women in rural areas. Lost human resources, you can say, add the advanced skill market has become global, and the development nation hiring trained ones and the poor from the poor countries. So migration of the women and the other impact of the other kind of criminal activities has been increased after migration. So you can add these other points also in the consequences, but generally you will write you can divide the results of migration, consequences of migration, in 4 areas. First one, which we have discussed about economic, second demographic, third social, and fourth environmental consequences. Thank you so much.